Urban flooding, periods of drought and restrictions, strong storms that cause riverbanks to burst, rising sea levels, extreme heat waves. In the metropolitan region, we find ourselves in a situation of structural water deficit, aggravated by the current climate emergency. In order to provide solutions to these problems, and with the aim of ensuring that in the future we'll be able to continue to have access to a resource as essential as water, we've created Ressona, a strategic project promoted by Aigües de Barcelona, financed by the Spanish Ministry for Ecological Transition and the Demographic Challenge through Next Generation EU funds, and co-financed by the Metropolitan Area of Barcelona in coordination with the Catalan Water Agency. The name speaks for itself. With Ressona, we seek to improve the resilience and sustainability of the urban water cycle throughout the Barcelona metropolitan area. And we do so by digitalizing all stages of the complete water cycle and ensuring maximum efficiency and the most advanced, sustainable management. How are we making Ressona a reality? Through various actions in all phases of the complete water cycle, from catchment to reclamation and return to the natural environment, as well as the management and control of all processes in this complete cycle, across the board. At this stage, we achieve a much more precise control of water extraction and significant energy savings thanks to the installation of sensors in wells and variable frequency drives. We rehabilitate several wells to considerably increase the recharge of the Llobregat River aquifer and to give us even more water quality control in real time. We implement a digital twin, that is, a digital replica of our entire transport and distribution network. This allows us to see what effects any action would have on the network before implementing it to ensure continuity of service. In terms of water consumption, we optimize the value of smart metering data to help improve water service, with a special focus on strategic customers. In the sanitation network, we measure in real time the quantity and quality of water, as well as the energy consumed, and we digitalize the discharge and overflow points. This helps us to improve energy efficiency and become more sustainable, as well as mitigate risks and ultimately have a much more resilient network. We apply advanced management by monitoring the data coming from different sources, which allows us to control all wastewater treatment and reclamation processes. We integrate all the necessary indicators for advanced monitoring and exhaustive follow-up of processes. At Aigües de Barcelona, we manage and protect the complete water cycle in the Barcelona metropolitan area. Digitalizing this cycle with Ressona is a decisive step towards making it more resilient and sustainable, and to improve the future, driven by water. Ressona, project financed by the European Union, Next Generation EU, Recovery Plan, Ministry for Ecological Transition and the Demographic Challenge, Government of Spain.